I'm done suffering. I want a soft life. Silk robes, spa days, peace. With what money? Hey, I'm speaking life. I'm speaking life. I'm speaking it into existence. Your bank account current situation is what do you call it? Is you say you're calling it into the what? Currently, it's manifesting zero. Currently, it's luxury. David Oras, my darling. That's what's coming. Not luxury. David Oras. And why are you so negative? Oh, yo, don't block my blessings. I refuse. No, I don't. I refuse. Yeah, block. Yo, yo. Blame tax. Blame inflation. Wait.